Hello world, how's it going? I hope you guys are all doing great. If not, I hope it's getting better for you.
So I found a couple baby drape fin barbs.
In this tank over here, it's a divided tank. The parents were actually over here. Somehow they managed to live over there. We're getting ready to throw more fish in here, do some more breeding. And yeah, scooped them up over there. But what I want to share with you guys is when this happens, I always kind of I'll take the babies and move them elsewhere so they'll have some stuff to eat, and I'm going to show you guys that.
Now, it's not the best shot, but if you're wondering what a drape fin barb looks like, that's actual parents over there. They've got this long fin. The male especially has this long fin on the top that drapes over, hence the name drape fin.
Now back to in here. So I've got a lot of shrimp tanks, a whole lot of filtration going on, maybe some air stone, like actual sponge filter, but I haven't cleaned them for years, so it's more or less just air moving through, which isn't entirely necessary. But I got a lot of seed shrimp in here. I've got a lot of small detritus worms, which they collect on the sides sometime here, and all kinds of other small goodies for these guys to eat and grow up off. Because barbs actually really do love to eat all the time. Now I do have shrimp in here. I'm not too worried about the babies yet, but as they get a little older, I'll watch them. And if they can start fitting babies in their mouths, then I'll move them. And that's kind of what it's about, is just moving the fish to the right size of food, or live food, or even tank to where it's not gonna eat whatever's in it. So if you're breeding, for instance, if you're breeding a bunch of different types of fish, if you want to keep them together, you can. Just make sure that at the rates they grow, you pick them out to the point that they're not going to eat each other, towards like their size, keep the same size with each other. That one fish will fit in another fish's mouth, whatever they can fit. Look cool. And here's another example of baby fish in with the shrimp tank, to where they get all that other good food to eat. Ooh, that's a yellow Riley. Check that out. That's a super rare shrimp. Yeah, I do this with a lot of my tanks. It's kind of a different way, but it's very helpful. Alright, so another short video this time, but I hope you guys enjoyed it and maybe you learned something off this of kind of what I'll do with some of my fry and things that you may be able to do when breeding your fish and whatnot. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Until next time, everybody, have a great